Is this on? Hi, folks. This is Uncle Alan's other part cooking show for Halloween. Yeah, everybody enjoys my cooking. So today we're using our big black bear Bowie machete to cook wonderful food. Also, it gives me more screen time. Now, I have a lot of people say, well, I don't really like it. It's a machete. It's not a knife. It's not a jungle knife. Machete. Okay? Thin blade for chopping and hacking and all that wonderful stuff. And mostly I use it for gardening, sometimes for cooking. Now, today Uncle Alan made a French soup with little differences and stuff. I think they call it bouillabaisse, but I made it into a clear stock. So I added some leftover frozen shrimp. I wonder if you can see that. It's shrimp. I'm not very good at holding cameras and stuff. I have stuff from my garden. I think that's tofu. And here's some of the mushrooms I've been experimenting growing. And some greens. I grow some really interesting mushrooms. A lot of people look at me, but Uncle Alan, aren't mushrooms dangerous? If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Well, Uncle Alan has fun. And if you kind of notice, I grew really nice, spooky kind of mushroom. Now, to make the bouillabaisse, the broth, you take about 3 fish heads, 4 frogs, and you boil it until you get a nice soup mix. I think that's another mushroom. I'm not too sure. I think that's one of my bigger mushrooms. I grow all sorts of neat stuff. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's seaweed. No. Oh, that's louff gourd. And some seaweed. And I made Spam and rabbit meatballs. Yes, part Spam, 1 slice, some rabbit meat, some carrots, a little bit of fat. The hell's that? No, that's seaweed again. And I got this wonderful, this is why Uncle Alan can't film, wonderful meatball made from rabbit, Spam. Can't remember what else I put in there. Tastes delicious. Yeah, let's see, what else did I put in here? I have no idea what I put in here. Oh well, it's going to be a great soup with the meatballs. Now, people have been asking Martha, I'm not very good with one of these and I already broke it. There's like big fractures and cracks. I still can't figure out how to use this thing. I have no idea. I'm old-fashioned. Now, if you give me one of these big black bear Bowies, this is my extra spare. I have about 2 or 3 of them. One's in the tool shed, one's in the kitchen. Trust me, if you want to chop something really good, you usually one of these things in the kitchen. Of course, it doesn't have the black paint, it's all white, silver, so I do proper cooking. But if you want to really go at it with a head of cabbage, this will do it really good. Also, if you're cooking and somebody shows up your door, it's like, yeah, what can I help you with? And people run away. Okay, that's cooking for Uncle Al for right now. I think I got a VR for Harshman Hills, that's James, on, where did I put my notebook? I have some wonderful, you get one of these, James, cooking recipes. How to use your black boy machete to cook with food in the kitchen. And it's a lot easier than hardtack or bannock. And it's fun. The whole family could watch while you're cooking up something. Catch you later, folks.